I recently unboxed an iPad Pro that my mom will be using. It's a 12.9-inch model. I actually don't have it with me today. But finally, the iPad Magic Keyboard arrived today. So, let's have a look. This took quite a while, and from Apple.com, it was going to take till probably late June. I've had a lot of shipping delays here in 2020. But anyhow, this one came in about, I think, a week or so from Amazon. I had to keep an eye on Amazon and try to find someone that finally had it in stock. So availability has not been great with people getting their iPads well before their keyboards, which is a strange situation. All right, we got a peel off tab here. Very nice. So getting the shrink wrap off is easy. A no scissors affair. That's always a bonus. Okay. Very nice. Open that up. Kind of a gummy rubber feel to it there. Let's have a close look. All right, we've got cardboard spacing in there to kind of be a mock-up of an iPad. Ah, very nice. Okay, first impressions. Well, the usual amazing boxing, right? And here we've got some sort of instructions. And yeah, you're going to plug in USB-C to the side. All right, we get the idea. I've actually not watched any unboxings of this, so I'm pretty unfamiliar with it. And with the stores closed, I've not actually seen this device. But that feels like a very rigid mechanism, which is good. As a person used to ThinkPad keyboards, this feels pretty good. A little bit of key travel, not a huge amount, and we got a decent-sized trackpad, which will be a whole new experience on an iPad to see a cursor. So hopefully I'll get my hands back on the iPad again soon. Here's our USB-C port, where we can charge the iPad and just leave this on the desk with a cord hanging out the side. I'm liking that. So there's not much to see in the back. You saw that earlier. Not too much to see on the edges. Think of it as a travel case with a keyboard built in, so it's pretty thin. USB-C we already mentioned, and then just that spine. So that's about it for the design, and of course a camera cutout here. And kind of a Alcantara feeling here, and it's critical to notice you've got some pins there, so that's how it's going to be connecting to the iPad itself. This keyboard will not need charging. That's a huge bonus for my mother. One less thing to deal with. And the fact that it can keep it at multiple angles and keep it hovering over the keyboard and out of the way and up a little bit for a little better posture. So that's it for my unboxing of this new iPad Magic Keyboard from Apple. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And thank you for visiting Tinker Try IT at Home. Bye now.